I was thinking, you know, what do guys with Suburbans do that want toy haulers, that love to go out and play, but they don't have a big pickup truck that they can drop a fifth wheel onto? Well, we have a solution for you today in our product review. It's the Attitude 20FB LE. This is a limited edition model, and it's got some surprisingly cool things. Now, it's kind of compact, but when you've got a family of 6 and you need a place to go and you've got a Suburban to tow it, this is the rig for you. Let's check it out. The 20FB LE does have a full pole-less awning, so you do not have to anchor it to the ground. It's all automatic, in and out. Makes things really, really easy. The 20FB has twin propane tanks on it, and it has a spot for a generator to be externally mounted, and it has dual battery carriers in the front. Now, just because the 20FB is small doesn't mean that you can't go in style. Take a look at the LED travel lighting that they have on this fiberglass cowl. The nice thing about it is right here, it's your battery shutoff switch. So it's real easy just to kill your power. You don't have to crawl under a seat or look for it. Even though it's a little small, a toy hauler hauls toys. Toys need gas, they've got a gas pump. So there is a fuel station on this particular model. Fill it up right there. The 20FB has the usual configuration. It's got the retractable bunk, the cafeteria style seating that turns into beds, and they also flip up out of your way. So it provides a lot of space when you get everything up and ready to go. But that's not the secret, and I'll show you that in a minute. Attitude had efficiency in mind when they tried to pack all these features into a small unit, but they are very efficiently done. You have, of course, the standard things you would expect: microwave, hood fan, you'd have a propane stove and oven, entertainment center with a swing out TV on this side, and all the stuff including outside speakers. Now, you do have enough space in here to bring in full-size UTVs, but it also is very accommodating to ATVs on a 50-inch wheelbase, because you can put 2, 4, and here's the thing that I didn't tell you. Ready? 5. The master bed flips out of the way and provides you a pocket for one more ATV. The Attitude comes with a forward bathroom on it that is family size. It's got a tub and a shower, small tub albeit, but it's great for the kids, and a head and a sink. So you've got all the comforts of home you need on the road in your bathroom. Okay, so here's what else I was thinking about. If indeed you are a toy hauler, does that mean your toy hauler has to be an ATV? This unit is really actually ideal for bikes, mountain bikes, kayaks, other things like that. Anyway, that's it for our product review. You want to check out the 20FB by Attitude, just head on down to Parris RV on State Street in Murray, and they've got this one just waiting for you to come see.